Egusi is not only limited to making egusi soup, you can also use it in vegetable soup and you can use it for pepper soup. So guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. This is Onyx Food Hill. So remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this with your friends. Thank you. Egusi pepper soup is what we have today. I have here some ingredients for making egusi pepper soup. So I have here some egusi seeds. Egusi is also called melon. So here are the seeds. We are going to blend these. Ingredients which I have here are smoked goat meat, smoked fish, cayenne pepper, ground crayfish, chopped onions, scotch bonnet, 2 stock cubes, Uziza leaf, a blend of pepper soup spice. So for this blended spice, I actually used ehuru, which is the African nutmeg, uda, and some Uziza seeds. So just take a look at it. Uziza seeds, uda, and African nutmeg. You can choose to use your preferred pepper soup spice. So this is what I want to work with. To make egusi pepper soup, you need to bring your goat meat into a white pot. I choose to use goat meat because of the smoky flavor. So I'm going to be adding in onions. So if you don't need onions, please take it away. It's not compulsory. I use onions to spice up my meat, so I'm going to be adding in the 2 stock cubes, a little bit of salt, and you add in the cayenne pepper. So you have to be careful with the pepper. So now you're going to add in some water. The fish and other ingredients will be added later. So now place this on a medium to high heat. Let it cook. So this is my own trick for making egusi pepper soup. I usually bring the egusi into a pan, then roast it for a few minutes. While I'm roasting this, just so that the egusi will have a smoky flavor. So by the time you add this to the pepper soup, it releases the smoky flavor and a sweet aroma into the soup. So this is why you have to roast your egusi for some minutes. I use half cup of egusi for this. So we are just going to toast the melon seeds until they turn a little bit golden. I hope you can hear the popping sound. This method is really going to make the pepper soup really flavorful. If you haven't tried this, please do so. You can check the description box for the quantity of ingredients I use. I'm going to take the melon seed off it. Then we are going to blend this. After blending the toasted egusi, this is how it should look like. Very smooth. So you can dress the fish, remove the bones and the head, then rinse it and chop the Uziza leaves, and also chop the pepper and set everything aside. So right away, the goat meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes. You are going to add in the smoked fish. You also need to add in the pepper soup spice which you blended and the ground crayfish. After adding all of this, you need to give the soup a good stir. You can increase the water if you need more. After adding water, bring the soup to a boil. Now the soup has been simmering for about 15 minutes. You're going to add in the chopped pepper if you haven't added, and also bring in the egusi into the contents. So you now stir the soup. This is not going to be very thick like the normal egusi soup. Already I'm perceiving the smoky flavor that comes from the goat meat and the roasted egusi. So I'm going to leave this to cook for another 10 minutes. So I'm going to have a taste of this. If it needs more seasoning, don't hesitate to add. I think I'll be adding in another stock cube, just one, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to allow this to cook until it starts to thicken. So after cooking this for about 10 minutes, this is how the soup is like. It's neither too thick nor watery. It has the consistency of ofen sala. I'm just going to add in Uziza. You don't really need much, just to garnish. So you stir this and leave this to cook for about 2 minutes. This soup smells more like peanut soup. It's really nice with this smoky aroma. Take this off heat. Egusi pepper soup is ready. Egusi pepper soup is one of the healthiest egusi recipes with no oil added. There was no oil at all added to this soup. It goes well with pounded yam, so I'm pairing this right away with pounded yam. This is where we are gonna end our cooking for the day. So thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Enjoy your meal and have a nice time.